Nano Nuclear Energy is appointing former Commanding General of U.S. Marine Corps Forces in the Pacific, retired Lieutenant General Terry G. Roebling, as chair of its Executive Advisory Board for Federal and Defense Appropriations and Requirements. He joins Nano Nuclear during a focused effort to expand its professional network and build relationships with key government officials. His role is described as being instrumental in aligning Nano Nuclear's initiatives with the energy needs of various U.S. armed forces and defense agencies, supporting the growing demand for advanced nuclear energy solutions nationwide. Chief Executive Officer and Head of Reactor Development James Walker explained Mr. Roebling's extensive relationships within the U.S. Department of Defense and connections with U.S. armed forces abroad will be invaluable for business development opportunities and navigating potential military procurement pathways. The former commander said, "Nano Nuclear has the capabilities to bring about real change in how the United States approaches clean energy solutions and maintains energy independence." With these statements, we once again hear the importance of government contacts for Nano Nuclear's business plans, as well as echoing the intertwined nature of geopolitical dynamics and energy independence. To learn more about Nano Nuclear, check out the video covering its strategy to bring portable nuclear reactors to market, and check out the video on First Solar for a discussion of political factors in relation to energy independence. Then, with the end of August nearing, Instacart announced that their CEO and chair, Fidji Simo, will participate in a fireside chat at the Goldman Sachs Communacopia and Technology Conference on Tuesday, September 10, 2024 at 2:25 p.m. Pacific Time. Next, Chargepoint has partnered with Daimler Buses to integrate Chargepoint's telematics and charge management systems with Mercedes-Benz and Setra brand buses, giving the brands the added software capabilities to optimize their pure electric and mixed fuel fleets, by making the use of vehicle data as easy and secure as possible, such as for asset monitoring and management to real-time insights and advanced reporting, allowing fleet managers to increase efficiency from one single interface. Regardless of whether customers have Mercedes-Benz, Setra, or Daimler buses, they can use Chargepoint fleet and charge management software without the need for additional telematics hardware. For an in-depth look into Chargepoint's plans, please refer to the video from last week.